Hi, this is Surya from Pixel Infos. This is my another new video in 2 minutes illustration Instagram logo. First pick an rectangle tool and draw a square shape. Make a all corner into a rounded corner by dragging this point and make this gradient color and make this adjustment tag into yellow color and click this tag and make it in the blue color and create a new tag and change into a red color. Adjust slightly. Okay, fine. And click this gradient tool and scale like this. We will turn to this color and pick a round rectangle tool and make a border color white, inner color empty. Adjust this and pick an ellipse tool, draw a round shape. Make this also a white color border. Adjust this into center. Again choose an ellipse tool, draw a small round shape. Okay, fix it into the right place. Thank you.